Introduction. 80 very short poems proves one doesn't need a novel to say something important, vast, inspirational, or spiritual. These 80 inspirational poems are about spirituality and life, and love. Sincerely, Cupideros. Sales at Cupiderosbooks.com. Cupiderosbooks.com. 2 hummingbirds. One hot windless and sweltering day, 2 hummingbirds fanned the microseconds away. All the leaves applauded in tune their air-cooled gratitude fortunes. Turned smile. I turned my smile on to bypass the call girl, but her heart astounded mine as she smiled her waiting gold. Life waits. Life waits patiently for ego to grow up. Then life lets ego fly away. The offerings. Man lust for a woman through his eyes. Woman lust for man through her ear. Each seeking an offering to satisfy their sexual sphere.